2 Pyramids FC, 1 Mamelodi Sundowns. Ngizoshaya ama-positives nama-negatives yale game le. Bekuyigame le bafethu abadilindelwe wonke umuntu, yebo. Many South African fans and many Egyptian fans were waiting for this game. Idlalile-ke namhlanje igame siyibonile, bekuyigame emnandi ngendlela eyisimanga. Ngiqala ngekwiside le-Pyramids. Iside lekwi-Pyramids ngokwami, i-Pyramids imission yayo kule game ibisimple. Ukudlala ibhola adilidlala kwi-first leg. Ibhola abalirepresentile ku-first leg silibonile bedlala ku-second leg because libonile igoli lokuqala elihle eliqhamuka ku-Fiston Mayele, yebo. So i-brand of football yabo ayishintshanga ngalo ndlela. I-Sundowns ihlulekile ukuyifunda indlela edlala ngakhona i-Pyramids, yebo. Ngokwami niloko engakusho because umwasubheke first leg i-Sundowns ibonile ukuthi kahle kahle cha eswini siyalimala kakhulu eswini. Amaphasi siwadlalayo eswini bayawablock. Khona bani lapha eswini, khona abadlali no number 7 walapha yabo udlalela i-Pyramids uyadlala lo amjida. Every pass ebeyidlala i-Sundowns kwi-first leg eswini biyiblockwa leya pass leya. I-Sundowns ibidinga umdlalo creative ozokwazi yabo ukuhamba nebhola azame something creative instead of passing amabhola, yabo. Because lapha i-tiki taka ibingasebenzi. Ayisebenzi i-tiki taka kwi-team edlala i-mid block. I-team ezokushaya nge-mid block awukwazi ukudlala ibhola elisile la. Kumele usebenzise i-width. Ingakho sibonile kwi-second leg simbona lo mjida lo uDivine Lunga ekwazi ukudlala kangcono kunoModiba because ukusebenzisa i-width ne-team njenge-Pyramids. I-Pyramids phela imnandi kakhulu la eswini, yebo. Njengoba imnandi eswini usebenzisa i-width uzoyishaya ngalapho, yabo. Kumele udlale ngama-side udlala nethi njenge-Pyramids ibashayileke leyo iMamelodi Sundowns namhlanje, yabo. Ngokwami mina ngifuna uqamba amanga ucoach weMamelodi Sundowns uyena obadlisela igame, yabo. Ngokwami ucoach weMamelodi Sundowns uyena obadlisela igame, but ke ngeke ngimblame kakhulu ucoach because igoli lokuqala liqhamuke ngakwiside elivele la bevuza ngakhona, yabo. Bahlezi bevuza kulela side, but ke ucoach ubone kungcono ukuthi aqalise lo mfana lo uModiba namhlanje, yabo. Amqalise kulela side la ehlezi evuzela ngakhona, but ke singeke simblame kakhulu uModiba mfethu. Ibhola adinga ukekana ovele wahluleka ukutrap ibhola laselafola kubani lafola kuFiston Mayele. uFiston Mayele wenza adume ngazo wakhahlela ibhola langene nethini, yabo. Second goal for me I don't think ukhona umdlali singamblame lapha ku-second goal because it was a set piece. Ama-set piece mfethu awukwazi ukublame kakhulu kuba abantu, yabo. Awukwazi ukubablame kakhulu abadlali kuma-set piece, but ke ngokwami mina ucoach ubonile ukuthi kahle kahle thina asidlali kahle lapha eswini. Wenzani ucoach ukhipha uJayden Adams ufaka uModiba. Angazi noma mina ubone kahle lapha, but ukufaka uModiba mina ngisibona ngisidingo sokufaka kwaModiba hayi kabi. Even though iSundowns ibishisa ngempela isilifuna igol, but isidingo sokufaka kwaModiba ngisibonanga mina because ubani obezonikeza laba badlali amabhola. UnoSaleza egroundini, unoba Ikram Reyners egroundini, unoRibery egroundini, unoba unoPeter Shalulile egroundini. Uba uzoba supplyela ibhola uAlende akekho creative. Indlela oqale ngakhona coach uqala ngobani? Uqala ngoAlende, uqala ngoTebogo Mokoena, uqala ngoJayden Adams. Where is the creativity in those three players? There is no creativity. There is no one who can supply ama-forwards ibhola. Ingakho oTeshik Matthews singababonanga kakhulu. Ingakho oLucas Ribeiro singababonanga kakhulu because there was no ball that was coming in the middle going to those forwards. There was no ball. Hayi kabi belingekho nje ibhola ebiliya lapha. Ingakho bebablock eswini. I-mid block iyona ndlela yokuwina against iMamelodi Sundowns. If you saw igame edlala uTS Galaxy versus iSundowns, when iSundowns yaluza ngo-1-0, iSundowns yashaya nge-mid block. I think iPyramids ibonile ukuthi iSundowns kahle kahle i-instrumental vele eswini, yabo. Abanawo umdlalo creative lesasisi. Why singabablock? Because when you block those guys ayikho into esile abazoyenza, yabo. So ikona okunye izinto engayithandanga ngakule game namhlanje. To be honest, I didn't like i-VAR. I think one of my negatives are my game. VAR, like Africa, I think it's time we sit down and we scratch off VAR because I couldn't umsebenzi VAR. Ayikho umsebenzi VAR ayikabi. Awukho umsebenzi VAR bafethu. Igoli lesibili lePyramids. I mean namanje ngisasho futhi akusilona igoli leli. But ke libekiwe igoli idlulile phambili iPyramids bathi nje angisiboni isidingo seVAR. there were many fouls esiwabonile first half, but ke VAR ayisetshenziswanga. Misetshenziswa iVAR ithatha ama decisions are wrong. Yabo, misetshenziswa ithatha ama decisions are wrong. Goal lesibili igoli lokuqala leSundowns ngeke ngisho ukuthi lesibili boss, there's an aggregate. Igoli elikore iSundowns simbonile uphisa shalulile. Beyo interfere with the play because ube offside. Yebo, ukuba kwakhe lapha kuyibhola mina ngijwayele ukulibuka. Pheshe abajwayele ukusho ukumbeka offside umjida mezoba offside interfere with the play, but ke kube u2-1 Sundowns ayiwinanga icup. Ngokwami Sundowns angazi mhlawumbe ungangitshela wena kuma comments ukupho okubonile ekwenza Sundowns idliwe, but for me ucoach yabo iblame nje iya coach, yonke iblame iya coach. Yabo, where to now? Ngingabe uyaxoshwa yena ucoach because imandate bekuwin iChampions League. Bamxoshela lokho phela manqoba mnqathi because they were seeing ukuthi akenzi kahle kuChampions League, so waqashwa ke uMiguel Cardoso. So where to now? Is he going to Club World Cup with the team or is he getting fired? Asas ngangitshela ama comments bafethu uVane Sports. Ungakhohlwa subscribe ava ka YouTube ngoVane Sports, na ka Instagram ngoVane Sports, na ka Facebook futhi ngoVane Sports. Ngiyabonga ngesupport.